Lesson 3. Flight Time Limitations and Fatigue Management. Managing fatigue is a critical legal responsibility for commercial pilots under PNG CAR Part 135. Flight time limitations exist to ensure you are well rested and alert for every duty period. For a commercial pilot operating a single-pilot aircraft, you must not exceed 8 hours of total flight time during any 24 consecutive hour period. Looking at broader time frames, your cumulative flight time must not exceed 100 hours in any 30 consecutive day period. Over the course of a year, the limit is capped at 1,000 hours of flight time in any 365 consecutive day period. Rest periods are equally strictly regulated. Before you commence any duty period, you must be provided with a continuous rest period of at least 10 consecutive hours. If your previous duty period was longer than 10 hours, your minimum rest period must be equal to or greater than that preceding duty period. Additionally, administrative tasks must be handled properly for every flight. Before any commercial air transport flight, an operational flight plan must be prepared, containing navigation, fuel, weather, and performance data. Upon completion of each flight, the pilot in command must enter the flight time, the number of landings, and any defects into the aircraft's technical log. You are strictly prohibited from flying if the aircraft has any known uncorrected defect that affects airworthiness, unless it is deferred under an approved minimum equipment list.